Alright, I finally got the belt replaced on this. I haven't used this mower that much at all because this belt slipped and I had all those other Craigslist, so it's good to be able to work on my own stuff for a change. So we're going to give this a cold start here and we're going to mow this yard. We're going to do something this lawnmower hasn't done a lot of yet. And I hope it starts. Here's a worn out belt if I didn't show it. And I'm going to let this sit here and run a bit before I mow to get everything heated up because it's been sitting a bit, and put the spark plug wire back in for safety. So here we go. I'm not sure how well this is going to start. It's been a while. Oh yeah, we got a engine throttle on this. Here we go. Well, it took a bit to get it started off camera, but it's running. So let's check the Self Propelled out. Do the whole yard and see how it does. It's a little hard to start. Here we go. Little boogie now. So we are done. The evil twin has cut the backyard and the Self Propelled will fly on this thing like it should and does a very nice job. You can certainly see the heat starting to set in. It's been really hot today. So really happy I got this mower working and usable. And I want to get down to this one and the other one in my Toros, my personal mowers. Because I really like the Snapper and I really like the Toro. Kind of torn between who's better, but I'm going to keep all of them. The other Snapper, we're going to sell that one. This one does a great job. Lots of power from that 7 horsepower overhead valve engine. Just a booger to start.